Okay, so what we're looking at here is a typical residential switchboard. Now, the top row is what most people will have in their homes. So what we've got there is a range of what they call MCBs, which are miniature circuit breakers. That's these guys right here. And normally also in a modern switchboard, you're going to have what they call RCDs, or residual current device. Now, what these two items offer, the MCB, miniature circuit breaker, will protect against overloading. So what's going to happen there is if I plug in 10 toasters all at once and push them all down, my circuit breaker is going to trip. It's going to detect a overload situation, and that's going to cut off that circuit. Now, if I was in a situation where I maybe had wet hands and I've touched a power point, I've got a potential there for electric shock, the residual current device that's connected to that circuit will trip. So the normal protection in a switchboard is overloading and RCD. Now, what a traditional switchboard doesn't protect against is anything that can cause electrical fires. Most electrical fires are caused by arcs. It's basically going to be either a broken wire or a faulty appliance. And what we have in the bottom row down here, these units right here are called AFDD, or an arc fault detection device. What these will detect is if we have a broken wire, faulty appliance, or maybe a crook power board that's potentially going to cause a fire in the house. These units here will detect that kind of fault and they will cut power to that circuit. So very, very important to have these in your modern homes if you want to protect the family.